Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to get out from safe mode in Android quickly and easily. If your phone is stuck in safe mode and you want to return to normal operation, now let's get started. Step 1, press and hold the power button on your Android device until the power menu appears. This gives you options to restart or turn off your phone. Step 2, tap restart if available. This will reboot your device normally and exit safe mode automatically. Step 3, if restart is not available, power off the device completely by tapping power off. This ensures a full shutdown. Step 4, wait a few seconds, then press and hold the power button again to turn the device back on. This starts the normal boot process. Step 5, release the button when the Android logo appears. Your device should now boot normally without safe mode. Step 6, if your phone still boots into safe mode, check for stuck volume buttons and make sure no third-party apps are forcing safe mode on startup. These are common causes for the issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more simple Android tips and tutorials.